My name's Kanji Code and I fucking hate this. Let's fucking go. Top level lookup tables, bomb category lookups. Okay, go down here. See this shit? See this shit? Don't fucking type it this way. It's typed this fucking way. Okay, this is a bug fix right here. Let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, okay? Right down here in the illegal stuff section, okay? Inside of bomb to arm reach, okay? See all these fucking spellings here? It's the wrong fucking spelling. The fix is D_rule bomb V16 converted to these different symbols for the left, right, top and bottom arm reaches of different blasts for different bombs with different V16 values. Okay, right here, wrong bomb area identifier. See all this fucking shit right here? It's all spelled the wrong fucking way. These are the wrong fucking identifiers. Well, what's the correct identifiers? Well, they're over here. What are these things? Well, these are constants that tell us the different magnitudes of the width and height axes of our different bombs, which are indexed 1 through 15 inclusive, okay? Down here in data by system in the bomb area data section, we have a lookup. Data belonging to bomb area, V16 bomb type, converted to the magnitude of the blast on the x-axis, width axis. Function array constructor, array of uint 8s, okay? 16 elements, because 16 things go in, 16 things go out, okay? This is a nothing bomb, so it does fucking nothing. Spark boxes, okay? Laser boxes, Jax bombs, box bombs, the magnitudes on the x-axis for all those fuckers, okay? D, bomb area, V16 bomb type, converted to the magnitude on the y-axis, the height. Same type of constructor, 16 elements, 0 for the nothing bomb, and the same exact bombs in the same exact order, but now it's height rather than width. Okay, next fucking section. Bomb area constants, right down in this emit function section. I thought that I was going to fill out this function in this video. We're not. We're going to do that for another video. Okay, in bomb area unit test main, oh, sorry, this is a helper function. This is going to test the area of the different bomb blasts and make sure that they're correct. And we're going to do this in another video, okay? And then right here in our main unit test function for bomb area unit test main, we're going to call function bomb area unit test main area lookup table right here before we simulate the blast, because we want to make sure that all the things have the correct magnitude before we try to simulate their blast on the mini tile map. Here's what we did previously. We got a whole bunch of fucking footnotes. I don't got any fucking time. So if you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here and find video 943 because we are out of fucking time here. Source code is here. I fucking hate this. Here's a way to get a hold of me. The license is do whatever the fuck you want. It's a free country. Do what you want. My name's Kanji Code. I'm making a game engine. I fucking hate this. Like and subscribe.